Hey, what's going on, everybody? I have discovered the greatest crimping tool that I've ever used. This thing is handy, and here it is. Yes, there it is. This thing here is freaking amazing. I used one just like it a couple days ago. I was down in beside of the frame of a dozer putting on a new terminal lead that come from the battery. Start the dozer. Anyways, you only had like this much room, and this thing here saved my life. And well, not really saved my life, but it actually saved me a lot of time and effort because the other crimping tool I had didn't fit. But luckily the guy that I was working with, he had one, and so I had to get one for myself. This thing here is freaking amazing. So let's open it up and see what we got here. Dang, they got it sealed good, don't they? Hold on. Had to poke a hole in it. Damn, they got these things sealed up tight, don't they? Alright, first thing we have, the tool itself. Nice, smooth freaking threads. Man, I'm stoked. Looks like there's a sticker and stuff in here, but let's get that open. Alright, tore me a hole in it. What we got here? Oh yeah, dude, it comes, man, that's a nice metal sticker. That's freaking sweet there. Battery cable, welding crimper. Anyways, dude, this thing is freaking awesome. But maybe get some tools and the impact, and I'll show you guys how this thing works and how freaking awesome it is. Here you go. I'm actually sacrificing a lug for you guys. Show y'all how this thing works, man. It is freaking awesome. The last time I used one, I just held it in my hand, had it crimped, didn't have much room, had it like this, and just whammied the shit out of it. But 16mm wrench will fit here, and this is 14 here, and I got my stubby DeWalt impact. Now we're going to crimp the shit out of this. Look at that. That is what I'm talking about. Freaking amazing. Getting it in a hard spot, dude, that is freaking awesome. But you guys check them out. I'll leave you a link in the description. Everybody really needs one of these. But like always, appreciate each and every one of y'all. Thank y'all for watching, and I'll catch you next time.